Hi guys, Lady Kazia here. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. I would just like to say thank you so much for all the love on my previous video. You guys have been absolutely fantastic. So today I'll be actually having a photo shoot with Rob at Optical Noise. I will be tagging him and putting his link in the description below. So please don't forget to go like and subscribe to his channel. He'll be posting a different video to mine, more of like behind the scenes. So I think you would really like that, to see a different point of view. Today I will be having my hair done as well as my makeup, so I'll be glamming up. So I'm going to be super excited because I haven't actually had a photo shoot in such a long time, but I would like to do more, and then I would definitely share it with you guys. But I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more. But thank you so much for all the love so far, and you guys have been absolutely amazing.